Greetings folks, and thanks very much for joining me again on my channel. And if this is the first time you're here, welcome. Usually I would have updated my videos and this channel probably about 5 or 6 times during the year by now, but this being a bit of a special year, it's kind of taken a bit of a toll. Basically I've moved from Sydney up onto the far north coast of New South Wales where I used to live, and then moved again to another spot in the far north coast. So it's taken a fair bit of time to prioritize what I need to do, and every day from since about maybe August or September sometime in this year, it has been go, go, go. It hasn't stopped once. So we've had to move a lot of stuff of mine across from one place to another, and moving into this new house, and there's been a lot of stuff to do in the meantime. A lot of house renovations, fixing up. The place was a bit of a schmozzle, and I won't bore you too much with all the details, but the priority here is me getting out videos, and that has been the reason why I haven't. So I made this video a little earlier in the year. It should have been probably about springtime, so maybe about September, and I meant to put it out the following week after I made it, and then we started moving. And this is now the last few days of December in 2021. So this is the video that I was going to put out. Apologies again for not putting it out sooner. It has been quite a trying, stressful time. And one more apology for the quality of this video. I mean, I have never used the webcam on this laptop. I still haven't got my PC up to date yet. There's a lot of things that need to be adjusted with that. It's about 6 years old and it's due for an update, and it's still running Windows 7, so I've got to update that to Windows 10. But there are other things that need to get done before I can update the PC, so I'm using the laptop for now. The webcam on this is not that great, neither is the microphone on this headset. I've had to bump it up to 5 times normal volume. So in the meantime, thanks very much for watching once again, and I'll leave you with the Bowden's cannon and the yellow foam, the yellow snow that I was using earlier in the year. So I hope you enjoy the video, and stay tuned for more updates. I have a lot more coming. There's a bit of a backlog with the videos I have to put out. So stay tuned, enjoy, and thanks very much for watching. Cheers. G'day folks, and welcome back to the channel for another episode of K3 Karcher Shenanigans. I want to say a big thanks to Gareth from Bowdens for reaching out to us after the last episode, the comparison between the Bowdens snow job and the MJJC Chinese product. Yeah, Gareth said that there was something very likely going on with the head of the cannon. I checked to make sure nothing else was blocking the system, so that could have been the other fault. So what he did was send out a replacement head free of charge. So thank you very much, Gareth. That was very much appreciated. He didn't have to, so I was quite happy just to send it back for a free service. So that was all good. So I got myself 2 cannon heads. Basically, what I'm going to do now is rerun the test with the Bowdens just by itself, and maybe in a later video I'll do another comparison of the Bowdens with the new head versus the MJJC. Gareth also mentioned that the cannon head needed to have the top opening, the top knob, open up about a quarter turn from full negative. So that's what I've done for this test, and how I'll be running it from now on based on his advice. Also, what we've got today is not just your average Bowden snow job, but some yellow snow. Okay, now this is a relatively new product from Bowden's, and what we're going to be doing is testing this out and see if that makes any difference with the new head, and see how much better cling we get with the new snow. So let's see how we go. So while I was having a conversation by email with Gareth at Bowden's, he was suggesting the top adjustment up here basically go from full negative all the way to a quarter. So that's full neg, back this way, okay, and I'll turn it a bit more there, that's about 1/4. Okay, so that is the setting that we're going to be using for the experiment. 900 ml of water, and that's with 100 ml of the yellow snow in there, and that's what's left after 100 ml, so you've got plenty left. Alright, let's go. Up a bit. That's covered all the car, and we've got what, 100 ml, 150 ml left. So it's definitely thicker, definitely clingier, and comes out a lot better. The Canon adjustment I've got at the top knob here, it's exactly as I was told in the email. I think my car must have a phobia to Canon suds or something. It really gets rid of them very quickly, especially on the sides. Alright, let's get it off again. Pros and cons. So far what I found is the Canon behaves better. It puts out more foam more readily, more of the time, and thicker, and it's also easier to get this stuff off. So yellow snow, it clings pretty well like they say, but it also comes off pretty well compared to some other brands like the Karcher's standard shampoo for cars. Cons, well, I'm not sure if it's the Canon or if it's the product or if it's the car, but what happens is the suds tend to run off the paint incredibly quickly. They shouldn't have to run off that quick. They should stay on there for at least a good 5 to 10 minutes according to most people. But this has its own problems. I'm not sure exactly where it is, and it might be a discussion tabled over a much larger budget in case the car needs a respray or something. Maybe a wrap, perhaps. So not only have we also changed over the Canon head and the wash to yellow snow, what we've also done is changed locations. So I guess you notice the scenery is a little bit different from before. Up here it's a lot quieter, and it'll only be a temporary solution for now because we'll be moving again fairly soon. So this is a kind of a one-off. Okay, so that's about it for now, and thanks again to Gareth for reaching out to us and sending us out the replacement snow foam head. Much appreciated. We've got another clean car and a fairly happy review of Bowden's products. So until next time, I'll catch you later on.